Hi, welcome to Living with Cam. My name is Camilla. In this week's video, I'm coming back to you guys with another meal prep. For breakfast, we're going to be having breakfast tacos. And then for dinner, we're going to be having cheesesteak stuffed bell peppers. I only need 2 meals this week, so that's all I'm going to be making. As always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. If you want to see this week's meal prep, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to get started on is our cheesesteak stuffed peppers. So all I have here is some red bell peppers that I've sliced in half lengthwise. And I have my oven preheated to 425 degrees. And we're actually going to give these peppers a head start in the oven because the filling is going to be pre-cooked. When they go back in the last time, the filling is just going to be kind of heating through and warming up. And so you want the peppers preheated. All I'm doing now is sprinkling a little bit of pink salt on them. And I'm going to put these in the oven for between 20 and 25 minutes. So that they can heat through. Okay, so for our breakfast burritos, what I'm gonna do is start by cooking our black beans up. I have 2 cans of the Bushy's black beans. I'm just gonna add that to my sauce pot. And you probably won't even need 2 full cans, but I like to make some extra. To those beans, I'm gonna add some of my chicken bouillon powder. I think I've showed you this in a few videos before. You don't need that much of it. I'm gonna add some of my Goya seasoning. I'm gonna add some black pepper. I'm gonna add some ground cumin. And I'm gonna add some garlic powder. And I'm gonna just mix that all together and set this on medium heat and just let it cook through. I'm just putting some oil in our pan. For our onions and sausage for our chicken burritos. Now I'm about to chop this onion up for it. I'm gonna add this to our pan with the oil in it. And we're just gonna let this cook for a little bit until it kind of cooks down a little bit. And once it cooks down a little bit, we're gonna add our chicken sausage to it. I'm gonna take about half a roll of my chicken sausage and just add it into those onions now that they've cooked down. Just gonna let this cook down with the onions. Make sure you break it up really well. And just keep letting it cook. So here we have our sausage and onions that have just come out of the stove. Just come out of the stove. So the next thing we're gonna make is our eggs. This week I'm gonna be just using my 100% liquid egg white. So I'm gonna pour some of that into my bowl. And then I'm going to add some Goya seasoning. Just a little bit. And some black pepper. And to my pan that's preheating, I'm going to add a little bit of oil. It's a non-stick pan, so you really don't need too much, but just a little tad. And y'all know my oil of choice is grapeseed oil. I'm just gonna whisk the egg whites. And I have this on about like a medium-low heat my pan because eggs cook very quickly. And I still want them to remain fluffy. So I don't want the stove up too high. I'm just gonna let my oil coat the pan and add the eggs in. gonna stir these around and then my eggs cook. Okay, so we're gonna get started with making our cheesesteak. For the peppers, what I'm actually using is this frozen steakums sliced beef. You can find it like in the frozen meat section. I get them at Walmart, and I believe Kroger has them as well. And so what you're gonna do is just, I already have my pan preheated to like a medium high heat, and I'm just gonna break them up and add them to the pan, and they cook up really quickly. And they do produce quite a bit of oil, so make sure that you drain the oil once they're fully cooked through. You need to stir these up until it's all the way cooked through. And you see how quick it's cooking. The bottom pieces are already turning brown. Okay, so while our beef is cooking, I'm just gonna thinly slice some onion. Feel free, if you like mushroom, to add mushroom to this dish. I personally don't. But if you do like mushroom, I'm sure it'll be a great addition to this. And you don't need to add peppers because obviously it's getting put in a pepper. But I feel like a lot of people do like mushroom. We're just gonna have those ready for us once our beef is done. I just drained off the rest of our beef, and I'm just adding our onions to cook. Since I already seasoned the beef, I'm not gonna add any seasoning to the onions. We're just gonna cook these up, and then once these are cooked down, we're gonna add our beef back to the pan. Yeah, I love onions. I think it's a problem. I probably definitely didn't need this many, but I'm gonna eat them. I'm just gonna continue to stir these up until they cook down. Okay, so our onions will cook down. I'm gonna add our strained beef back into the pan. Those together. Okay, and so we're not adding anything as a binder to these other than cheese. And so I have some of my Fiesta blend cheese left over. So I'm gonna add the rest of this into the mixture. And this is going to help us to like bind everything together. Okay, so our peppers came out of the oven. So now we're about to stuff our peppers with our filling. I have my oven preheated to 375 degrees. I'm going to cut the stove off. And then I'm just going to start stuffing my peppers. Okay, I'm gonna put this into our oven for another 15 minutes and these will be done. Okay guys, so here we have our finished meal prep for the week. We have our black beans over there. You probably can't see them too well because it's in a black bowl. We have our sausage with our onions and our egg whites that we cooked up. And then we have our dinner, which is our stuffed peppers with their melted cheese on them and onions. And then I did include a snack for the week, which is my Skinny Girl popcorn. This is just the butter and salt flavored. And here is our completed meal prep for the week. Okay guys, so I forgot to mention while I was showing you all the completed meal prep that I will be adding these to my breakfast tacos. I'm going to be portioning these out into Ziploc containers. I'm only going to be eating one per day. But it's going to go with the tacos. That's what's going to actually make it a taco. I forgot to show it to you guys, but it is a part of this week's meal prep. Thank you guys so much for watching this meal prep video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Share it with someone who you think might enjoy it. Subscribe and click that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Have a blessed week. Bye.